started biking away from us, activating the new event. This was definitely one of the coolest events in the game, and I thought it was over until I heard Los Chicletera had spawned. I tried to buy them, but then my friend hit me and this is where the fight began. I started fighting with everything I had, but unfortunately, he got it. I then tried stealing it back and got hit, but I wasn't going to let this slide. So I quickly got to work and bought a few traps before placing them behind his base, creating my master setup. And just as the laser wall came down, I used my body swap potion, trapping him in my setup before I stole back what was mine. But if you want it, like, subscribe and comment your user.